So ignite your value-driven mindset by practicing DC MMA. Decide what you offer, whether it's personally or as a product set, your company. Commit to that decision on understanding what you offer by taking messy, massive action. Like, how are you going to reinforce what you offer? Are you going to come back or go back home and create a different business for your company? Are you going to be able to offer something different in your organization? So the value-driven mindset is important when it comes to value, again, not worth. And when you can articulate your value, what you offer, you can charge accordingly. That also comes to corporate compensations. Get compensated on your value contributions, and then contribute from a place of sufficiency. I have enough. I am enough, and I'm willing to offer this. And then you get to make a better decision on who gets your skills and A game. Not everybody is worthy of your A game. Remember that, ladies. Remember that. So get curious. So curiosity is one of my favorite topics. It's very powerful. So this is for every woman in the room. The gold is in the gaps, the unknown information, skills, and perspectives. And this acronym that I created for GAP is gathering information, skills, or perspectives. What is your approach, right? What is your perspective and lens that you're looking at this opportunity under? And start mining these opportunities with curiosity. It's like, I know that every woman in this room, whether in your life or in your business or corporation, you see things every day where you're like, this could be done better, more efficiently, differently, right? Yes, okay, that resonated, good. So this is where you get curious. Curious is just the ability to find out more information. But the gold, the money, innovation is always in the gaps. So when women connect, for women, connection will become our greatest currency. So when we have conversations with each other in this room, outside of these rooms, or when you go back home, curiosity will feel this, it is the fuel or mechanism that propels individuals to seek out new information, skills, and perspective. This is why collaboration is so important with women. Because when we have shared knowledge, we can share ideas, and that's where innovation is so critical. And again, going back to the past slides, businesses are thirsty for this. Corporations, vendors, all swaths, there's such opportunity here. And curiosity drives the urgency to understand and connect on understanding, not the differences, on the understanding. And think about this. If your motives and intentions are pure, when you're finding this, or driving this curiosity conversation, you're in a state of lifelong learning. You stay out of good, bad, right, wrong. You're gathering information. I've been in sales for 25 plus years, always with dudes. And it's hilarious because there's the 80-20 rule. And the best advice I ever got was if you want to find out information with somebody, you shut up basically 80% of the time and you talk 20. People love to talk. They will tell you what they want and need if you allow them the conversation. So here's a little dude hack. If you want something, ask a lot of questions. Become curious and find the information first. Gather the information, and then when you go back, you can come prepared and armed. This also provides opportunities for connection and action. Action being huge.